Buying home plants.
Hello, welcome to the Boston Garden Center.
Hi, I need a plant, please.
You are in the right place.
I just moved to the United States.
Oh, welcome. Do you have a new apartment?
Yes, in the city. It needs green things.
Plants make a house feel like a home.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Plants make a house look nice.
Oh, yes, I understand now.
Do you want big plants or small plants?
Maybe medium, but I am a beginner.
You do not know much about plants?
No, my plants always die.
Don't worry, we have easy plants here.
What is an easy plant?
A plant that needs very little water.
That sounds perfect for me.
Come over here, let me show you.
Okay, I am following you.
This is a snake plant. It is very strong.
Snake plant? Does it have snakes?
No, no snakes, just green leaves.
Oh, good. I do not like snakes.
The leaves are long and tall like a snake.
I see. I like the dark green color.
It is very hard to kill this plant.
Hard to kill? What does that mean?
It means the plant will not die easily.
Even if I forget to give it water?
Yes, it can live a long time without water.
Exciting! I will take this one, please.
Great choice. Now you need a pot for it.
A pot? The cup for the plant?
Yes, the large cup where the plant lives.
I want a blue one, please.
We have a nice blue pot right here.
How much is it?
The plant is $10. The pot is $12.
Okay, that's $22 total.
Yes, you also need some soil.
Soil? I do not know this word.
It is the special dirt for plants.
Can you speak slowly? How do you spell it?
Yes, S-O-I-L, soil.
Oh, the brown dirt. Yes, I need that.
Here is a small bag of soil.
Thank you. Is that everything?
Yes, let me see. Let us go to the front desk to pay.
Oh no, this blue pot is very heavy.
Oh, let me help you with that.
My arms are not very strong today.
Take your time. We can use a small cart.
A cart? Like in a grocery store?
Exactly. Here you go. Put it inside.
Thank you. That's much better.
No problem. We are at the desk now.
So it's $22.
Plus $5 for the soil.
27. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, card or cash is fine.
Here is my card.
Just tap it on the machine, please.
Okay. It beeped. Is the payment finished?
Yes, that's everything.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new plant.
Checking into a hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Star Hotel.
Hello. I want to sleep, please.
I can help you with that.
I have a room for tonight.
Great. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Mateo. Mateo Silva.
Let me check the computer. One moment.
Take your time.
I see your name here. Mateo Silva.
Yes, that is me.
You are staying for 3 nights.
That is right. 3 nights in Chicago.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sorry, what is an ID?
It is an identity card or a passport.
Oh, a passport. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. And I need a credit card.
For paying, I already paid online.
Yes, but we need it for the deposit.
Deposit? Can you speak slowly?
Of course. A deposit is extra money.
Why do you need extra money?
It is for safekeeping. We will return it later.
Okay, I understand now. Here is my card.
Thank you very much.
Is my room ready now?
Oh, wait. There is a small problem.
A problem? Is my room gone?
No, your room is here, but it is a single bed.
A single bed? Is that a small bed?
Yes, it is a bed for one person.
But I paid for a king bed.
A king bed is very large.
Yes, I am a tall man. I need a big bed.
Let me see what I can do.
Please, I am very tired from my flight.
Let me check other rooms on the computer.
Thank you. I can wait.
Good news! I found a king room.
That is very good.
And it is on the top floor.
Is it quiet up there?
Yes, it is very quiet.
Perfect. How much extra does it cost?
It is free. We are sorry for the mistake.
You are very kind. Thank you.
Do you have questions about the hotel?
Yes. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 until 10 in the morning.
Where is the breakfast room?
It is behind this desk.
Okay. And how do I get internet?
You need the Wi-Fi password.
What is the password?
It is the word guest and the year.
Guest 2026?
Exactly. All small letters.
Good. Where is the elevator?
The elevator is the machine that goes up.
Yes, I know the elevator. Where is it?
Sorry, it is on your left.
Thank you. Do I need a key?
Yes, it is your key card. Tap it on the door.
Tap it? Just touch the black box on the door?
Yes, just touch the black box on the door.
Okay, that is easy.
Do you need help with your bags?
No, thank you. I only have one bag.
Enjoy your stay in Chicago.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Lost luggage at the airport?
Excuse me, can you help me? Hello? Yes, how can I help you? I cannot find my bag. Oh, you lost your luggage. Luggage? What is luggage? Luggage means all your bags and suitcases. Oh, yes, my big red suitcase is missing. Don't worry, we will find it. I hope so. All my clothes are inside. First, what was your flight? I flew from Mexico City to New York. Okay, what is the airline name? It is American Airlines. Do you know your flight number? Yes, it is flight 247. Let me see. The computer is slow today. Take your time. Okay, I see the flight. When did you arrive? About 1 hour ago. The bags for that flight are on belt number 4. I looked there. My bag is not there. Let me look in the system again. Thank you. Please describe your suitcase. Sorry, can you say that again? What does your suitcase look like? Oh, it is red and very big. Does it have any marks? Marks? I do not understand. Marks are special things on the bag, like a name tag or stickers. Oh, yes, it has many stickers. What kind of stickers? Stickers of flowers, many yellow flowers. That is good. That helps a lot. Do you see it in the computer? No, I do not see a red bag here. Oh no, is it gone forever? Don't worry, sometimes bags are just late. What do I do now? Do you have your baggage receipt? Receipt? The small paper for the bag? Yes, the small paper with the barcode. I think I have it. Let me see. Take your time. Here you go. Is this the right paper? Yes, this is perfect. Let me scan it. Did you find it? Ah, I see the problem now. Is it bad news? No, not bad. Your bag is very heavy, right? Yes, it is very heavy. Heavy bags go to a different place. They do not go on the belt? No, they go to the oversize room. Oversize? What does that mean? It means extra big or extra heavy. Oh, I understand. Where is this room? It is very close. Look over there. Near the big glass doors? Yes, your red bag is waiting there. Really? You are sure? Yes, I am sure. The computer says it's there. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. No problem at all. Have a wonderful trip. I will. You are very kind.
Renting an apartment in the city?
Hello. Are you here to see the apartment?
Hi. Yes, I am.
Welcome. I am the manager of this building.
Nice to meet you. I want to rent a home.
Let's go inside. It is on the first floor.
Oh, good. No stairs. I really like that.
Please come in. This is the living room.
Wow, it is very big.
Yes, and it gets a lot of sun.
The windows are very nice.
The kitchen is right over here.
Can I see it, please?
Of course. Follow me.
It looks very clean.
We have a new fridge and a new stove.
Sorry, what is a stove?
A stove is the machine for cooking hot food.
Oh, I see. I love to cook.
That is great. Now let's see the bedroom.
Is it a big bedroom?
Yes, a big bed fits inside very well.
I also need a desk for my computer.
A desk will fit near the window.
Perfect. How much is the rent?
The rent is $1,000 a month.
$1,000. Is water included?
Yes, water and trash are included.
Trash? What does that mean?
Trash is the bad things you throw away.
Oh, you mean the garbage.
Exactly. You do not pay extra for that.
What about the electricity?
You must pay for electricity. It is separate.
Can you speak slowly, please? What is separate?
It means you pay it by itself, not with the rent.
Okay, I understand now.
You also need to pay a deposit.
I know that word. Extra money for safekeeping.
Yes, that is exactly right.
Is there a problem if I have a pet?
You cannot allow big pets here.
Oh no, I have an animal.
What kind of animal do you have?
I have a dog. He is my best friend.
Is he a big dog?
No, he is very small, like a cat.
Let me see. Does he make a lot of noise?
No, he is very quiet. He sleeps all day.
Well, a small dog is usually okay.
Oh, thank you. That is great news.
But you must pay a pet fee.
A fee? Sorry, can you say that again?
A fee is a small extra cost.
How much is the pet fee?
It is $50 every month.
Okay, $1,050 total.
Yes. Does that work for you?
Yes, it is a good price for the city.
Do you want to sign the paper today?
The contract? Yes, I am ready.
Great. We can do that in my office.
Where is your office?
It is just down the hall.
Let's go. I am so happy.
Welcome to your new home.
Joining a new gym?
Hello. Welcome to the city gym.
Hi. I want to join the gym, please.
That is great. Are you a new member?
Yes, I want to exercise and get strong.
We can help with that. We have many machines.
Do you have a special price this month?
Yes, we do. It is $30 a month.
$30. That is not too bad.
Do you want to sign a contract today?
Contract? Can you speak slowly?
A contract is a paper you sign for 1 year.
Oh, do I have to stay for 1 year?
No, you can pay month to month.
Month to month? What does that mean?
It means you can stop anytime, no extra money.
Huh, I like that. Yes, month to month, please.
Perfect. Do you like group classes?
Group classes? Like many people together?
Yes, we have yoga, dance, and cycling.
Cycling? What is cycling?
It is riding a fast bicycle inside the room.
Oh, a bicycle. That sounds very hard.
It is a little hard, but it is fun.
When are the cycling classes?
We have them in the mornings and evenings.
Evenings are better for me. I work all day.
We have a class at 7 o'clock tonight.
Tonight? No, I am not ready today.
That is okay. Take your time.
Do you have a place for my bag?
Yes, we have lockers in the back.
Sorry, can you say that again? Lockers?
A locker is a small metal box with a key.
Oh, a safe box for my things.
Exactly. You put your clothes and bag inside.
That is very good. Can I see the gym now?
You want a tour?
Tour? Does that mean look around?
Yes. Let me show you the machines and the pool.
You have a pool for swimming.
Yes, it is big and very clean.
Let us go look.
Oh, wait. I forgot my keys.
Your keys for the doors?
Yes, the pool door is locked right now.
Can I still see it today? I love swimming.
Let me check my desk. One moment.
Okay, I can wait here.
Ah, here they are, under my notebook.
Good. I really want to see the water.
Follow me. The pool is down this hall.
It smells very clean in here.
Here is the pool, and the showers are next door.
Wow, it is very nice. I want to sign up now.
Great. Let's go back to the front desk.
Do you need my name?
Yes, I need your name and phone number.
My name is Leo. Leo Ramos.
Thank you, Leo. And your phone number?
It is 555-1234.
Perfect. Here is your new gym card.
Do I use this card to open the front door?
Yes, just scan it when you walk in.
Scan it? How do I do that?
Just hold it near the red light on the wall.
Oh, like at the grocery store.
Yes, exactly like that.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow, Leo.
Yes, see you tomorrow.